Hi again. In this video I'm going to present you the employees per month tab, and same as the preview one, employee per year. This is also improperly named because it's not about only about employees per month, but also about clients per month. And what do I mean with that? Right now, as you see, you have selected 2025, the year. You have selected month of June. You can select another month of June and everything will be updated automatically, and you have to select whatever you'd like to see. You want to see the list of all the clients and all the training modules related to these clients for the month of September, or you want to see all the employees with all the trainings related for the month of September. So everything is very easy. If you select the employees, you'll see here the employees with the departments and all the training modules for the month of September. If you want to see the clients, just select clients, and instead of employees you'll see the list of all your employees with their location and all the trainings related to every employee for the month of September. If you want to see the clients for the month of June, for example, select June and you'll see all the clients with all the trainings, all the trainings for the month of June. If you want to see clients for June, just change it to clients and instead change it to employees, and instead of clients you'll see all your employees with all the trainings for the month of June. Okay, going back into September, you'll see everything. Going back, changing the month to say so for January, for example, I see for January all employees, two training modules in January. If I want to see clients, change back to clients. I'm just playing around because that's basically everything you have to do. You don't have to do anything fancy. Just select year, select month, and select if you want to see the list of trainings for your clients or for your employees, and everything will be updated automatically. Thank you. In the next video I'm going to present you the training slip with all the filter options and how you can print this very easily. Thank you.